It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you this eyelash growth serum by Grande Lash MD. You guys, I have been using this lash serum for some time, probably over about 2 years, and I use it off and on when my eyelashes feel like they're a little thin or scarce, and this does the trick. I want to show you a close-up of my eyelashes because I've been using this consistently for about a month. So as you can see, these are my lashes, and they're not normally this long, you guys. This is with Grande Lash MD. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wand inside. And when you take it out, you can see it's got a very nice application wand that holds just enough product to get the job done. So I'm gonna actually show you the product being applied right on the lash line. Just like that. Literally, that's all you need. Try to avoid getting it in the eye, obviously. That can be a little tricky, but you just want to get right above the lash line. And you can literally feel the wetness, so that's a good indicator that you've gotten enough. To let it dry. So you don't want to apply any kind of lotion or anything like that until the lashes feel dry. They really do help your eyelashes grow longer, and it's noticeable. People will be asking you, are those real or are those extensions? You can say, no, they're just my real eyelashes. That's it, with a little bit of help from Grande Lash. So there you guys have it. That's my point of view.